Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about what energizes you.
So, we're going to talk a little bit first about what energizes us, and then it's really a question. It's a question, what does actually energize you? We would love for you to interact with us in the comment section down below. So, something that energizes me quite a bit is when I get to do something that I really love to do. I like doing lock work. I like doing stuff that has a lot of forging dimension, things like that. That really pumps me up and fires me up when something comes out right like that. That's one of the things that just really kind of it just gets me fired up and I'm ready to just tackle everything. I like to just do everything I can. I like talking about my future and the future of my wife and my kids and how we're going to own a home someday and things like that. And that fires me up and it gets me prepared for the day. So, what energizes you?
Yeah, me too. Definitely talking about the future with you and just making plans. I really enjoy that. As far as when it comes to
She's a big charter. She loves charting out things.
I do. If you haven't figured that out about me. I love getting on a roll. I always have this really long list of things to do and just being able to get on a roll and get things done. I love that. It doesn't sometimes it doesn't even really matter what I'm doing. It's just getting things done. Really feels good to me just to be able to get so much stuff off my list. It may sound funny, but that's one of the things that I really enjoy. So.
Yeah, she really likes checking those boxes, seeing those little items, those little line items just keep popping off the list. How do we apply this to business? I think the way that we apply these strengths to our business is that, if we do those things, even however small, just to start with. So take 5 little things for Jess, little check mark boxes that she knows she can complete.
Yeah.
And just get started on that first makes a huge productive boost for the rest of the day. And same thing here. Instead of me starting right in on something that I don't particularly care to do, if I do something that I really love to do, something that really pumps me up in the morning, that will make me productive all day long for sure.
Yeah, so I guess there's kind of a counter question here that's just as equally important, and that is what doesn't energize you? What drains your energy? Because you have to be self-aware of that so that you can avoid doing that as much as possible. Some things are still required of you, but...
That's going to be a subject for another 3 Minutes at 3. Looky there. So, alright, well that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Yep, thank you for watching.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.